string from the file and write to some other file. Now if we want not only the characters but strings and number, because we are dealing now with, or we want to deal with the dissimilar data together in a structure. So for that we use this fprintf and fscanf library function in order to read write data from or to file. So we will write a program and we use these structures for writing record of employees. We have this program, right, which records or write records to the file using structure. We have stdio.h, so we have a file pointer. We are trying to say user that okay, you say yes till the time you want to enter the data, otherwise you say any other thing apart from y, you come out. So we have declared a structure which is emp. We have a name, age and basic salary. We have a variable, structure variable. Now we have opened a file now, and this is in the write mode. If it doesn't open, we say okay, we come out. Now if everything goes fine, we say while another equal to y, means we will take the character from the user, and till the time he says yes, we will do, or we will run this loop again and again till the time he comes up with a character other than y. So here we say this printf enter name, age, basic salary, and we scanf it in ename, &e.name and &e.bs. Why we have not used ampersand here? Because this is a character array by itself. Now we use fprintf. Now we use this fprintf to print or to put the values which we have got here from scanf to the fp, that is the file pointer. So in this file we want to write ename, age and e.bs, and after that we will ask user if you want to enter more. He says yes, we will go on and on, otherwise we come out. Then we close the file. So this is the sample run. User has input 3 times. So in this program we are just reading this data into the structure variable using scanf. Now we want to dump that into the disk, and we use fprintf exactly for that. So the user can input as many as record till the time he doesn't come up with any other character other than y. So the key of this program is fprintf, which is writing the value or in the structure variable to the file. So this is similar to printf, except this file pointer is included as the first argument. As we have seen, is in fprintf first argument is the fp. So as in printf we cannot we can format the data in a variety of ways. As in printf we can have a format specifier, we can have format specifier in fprintf also, fprintf. And we have used something called fflush. Fflush is what? Fflush stdin generally we use. Nowadays we don't use it, but you should know about fflush. What happens here? This is just in order to avoid one peculiarity of scanf. Whenever we are using keyboard and whenever we are applying the content to the scanf, it assigns the name, age, salary to appropriate variable, and it keeps the enter key unread in the keyboard buffer. This is the thing. It will keep the enter key unread in the keyboard buffer. So when it's time to supply y or no, the question, if it arises in our program, this getch will read the enter key from the buffer, thinking that the user has actually pressed the enter key. And in order to avoid this situation, we use the fflush. So this is like the flush we use. It is designed to remove or flush out anything which is remaining in the buffer. So the argument in fflush we have used stdin. Stdin stands for standard input, which is actually the keyboard. So now let us write the program to read the employee records created by the program we have just written. Now we took the input from the user, we have placed it in the file. Now we want to read from the file. So this is the reading record from a file using a structure. So again we have stdio.h, we have a file pointer, we have a structure here. This is a structure variable, and this file we assume the content is already written, and we have 3 content written here. The name, age, bs, like this. So we want to open this file in read mode. If it is not open, we raise an error. Otherwise we just do one thing. fscanf, we are scanning from the file fp. What we are scanning? The name, the age and the bs, basic salary, and till the time we reach end of file, we just read it and just print it. Simply printf we use, and we close it. So this is the sample run. So this is the first discussion on the file input output.